Achoo! Most of the world at that moment would say, God bless you. Well, I'm here to say, God bless you. And did you know that you're blessed in the city, blessed in the field, blessed going in and blessed going out? The fun thing about White Hat Sales, how to have a white hot business without it burning you out, and these white hot minutes, is that I'm speaking into your life, some of the goodness of God, good mindset, and it's tried and tested. You'll read in here how I've been in Kazakhstan, been all over the world, and I haven't met anybody who didn't receive and love having the presence of somebody who believed in a good God and also benefited from it. So I think there's a great transition point where our transactions can be fueled by our willingness and desire to help others. And that is also knowing that we have a willingness and a willing and desire good God who's going to help us absolutely every day. So this is the white hat moment. God bless you. You don't have to wait for a sneeze.